Okay guys, here we are on my phone doing a close-up of this Manbily ball joint. There's the rifle head clamp. Doing it all one-handed, sorry guys, but yeah. That works so good. And absolutely secure in there. There is the ball joint. Let me release it. So that's released. Now when I've got a rifle on there, that's just a nice bit of tension. You can see it doesn't flop over. And like I say, I leave that little one there just with a tiny bit of tension so it spins nice and freely. But this is the clever thing. See that knob there? Like I say, you adjust this screw in the center and all you've got, like if I put my thumb there, that's tight, that is now rock solid. Put my thumb there, so to release it, there, quarter of a turn, that is now released. Just quarter of a turn. From there, lock it, now it's solid. Absolutely, and the build quality of it seems really good. Really good. There it is. If you can read that, the Manbily BH-U3. I'd like to say thanks very much for Manbily for sending me that, because I shall be using this for a very long time to come, I think. Okay guys, if you're in need of a ball head and rifle clamp, you can't go far wrong with this, I can tell you that. Thanks very much guys, see you all again soon.